Public service announcement. The insights and all of the data that social media and other online platforms gives to you are no joke. They're there to guide you on what to do. Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Oluwatosin, and today we'll be talking about data to improve your performance and your activity online. All of the insights you see on Instagram, the one you see, about your reach, about your impression, about your link clicks, profile views, hours, time your audiences engage with you and all of these things, they are no joke. They are pointers for you to know what to improve on per time. Sometimes notification will come to you and say, oh, this post is doing better than 95% of your posts. It's telling you that you should pay more attention on those posts. Maybe you need to promote it more, or you need to, focus more on it, as it has a lot of potential of getting you a lot of results as to engagements and leads. But hey, you don't pay attention. So from today, let's start paying attention. So what are the things that insights do for you when you pay attention to them? Number one, it helps you to focus on what you are meant to focus on. For example, if your Instagram insight is telling you that your audience are mostly active in the evening, say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 p.m. then it will tell you that is the best time for you to post. Sometimes, maybe a picture does better than a video. Sometimes, a video reel can do better than any other thing. So yeah, insights are good. Tell you how many people your post has reached. Maybe your campaign is running, you need to monitor it, you need to know how many clicks it has, how many leads you've generated. All of these are important so as to help optimize. Number two, one of the things it helps you to do is it helps you to plan better so you won't waste money. A lot of people have wasted money. Oh, my ad is not working. Oh, my social media is not engaging more. It's not this. Hey, no, that is not correct. It's because you're not paying attention to these analytics. You're not paying attention to this insight. And the more you pay attention to insight, the better it is for your brand. So what do you need to do going forward? You need to pay attention to it. If you don't know what it is, you need to pay attention. So that means if it's telling you that 100 people are viewing your profile, then that means people are checking you out. If people are checking you out and they're not following you and they're not inquiring about your products, then there's something that you're not doing well. You need to pay attention to it. So insight would help you to pay attention to what you are meant to pay attention to. It guides your expectations. So what are the insights you need to pay attention to? You need to pay attention to profile visit. Pay attention to your engagement, your likes, your save, your shares. Pay attention to your link clicks. Pay attention to your follows. Pay attention to your unfollows. That is telling you maybe people are not getting value, or maybe bots are following you some way, somehow. Those are the things you need to pay attention to. Pay attention to the number of leads you have for your promotion. All of these things help you know what is working and not working. And once you know what is working, drill down into it and focus on it. Put all energy into it and make sure that it is productive. I hope this is helpful for you today. Please share it to someone so that they can also get help for it. Please pay attention to your insights. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment on this, how it has been helpful to you. And see you in my next video.